citizens of the world, family, and even our enemies. We are anonymous. We have revealed the shocking truth about Cern, and this is a topic that you all have to learn, to be aware of the dangers that are near. Take note, this is not meant to scare or intimidate anyone. This is to inform everyone so we may be able to stop this from happening. So you all need to open your heart, ears, and eyes on what the collective has to present to you. This very urgent message. In August 2014, a refurbished RHIC distillated the first atoms of strangelet. Now, in April the LHC at Cern doubles its potency. Thus, it will massively produce strangelet in its ion collision schedule for December 2015. The study in this information, the consequences for mankind of this new regime of energies and experiments, analyzing in detail the errors and lies of the outdated 90s safety report of the industry, which still affirms strange quark liquid is a gas, ignoring the liquid nature of what the accelerators are producing, misconceives the nature of cosmic rays, lonely atoms that cannot form a critical gas of strange liquid, and denies the most widely accepted hypothesis about the nature of quark stars, and quark dark matter present in the galactic halo, Wiener's hypothesis of strange quark matter, affirming that strange quark liquid does not exist in the universe today. It is the main component of nova explosions, pulsars, the galactic halo, and it is being produced at those accelerators with the enormous risk for all of mankind. So conveniently the industry, which is preparing the first collisions at Cern this year at full potency, doubling the energy and hence the risks of those experiments, does not upgrade the report, not to warn mankind of its likely outcome, the production of enough strange matter to start an ICE-9 extinction, creation of a critical gas of strangelet able to convert the Earth into a pulsar, creation of small black holes that do not evaporate, either as top quark condensates, Einstein's famous frozen stars, or string stars with higher dimensionality. This risk has been overblown by media, since it is less likely, and the black hole theories and stories that allowed them to divert attention from the truly, well-proved, scientific catastrophe, creation of strangelets, lumps of strange quarks shown to be very common in the universe, as all pulsars are frozen, strange quark stars. This risk is absolute, meaning that according to the totalitarian principle of physics, all particles that can theoretically happen, will happen, and strange quark matter will theoretically happen, since the LHC is merely beyond speculative theories, a quark cannon, which produces massive quantities of strange quarks at high energy regimes. However, a strangelet is nothing strange, it is merely a lump of strange quarks, and we know those lumps of strange quarks, once formed to devour our lighter, simpler up and down quarks, and as it happens, the LHC is just a quark cannon that produces lumps of strange quarks, strangelets. The LHC is a cyclical, never-ending cannon barrel that accelerates lead-ion bullets every cycle, the heaviest non-radioactive atom with more quarks, with two purposes: to increase the mass of those quarks, transforming them into strange quarks, and then collide them to make strangelets, strange quark condensates. The LHC is just a factory of strangelets, and so when it goes online at full potency, will just produce mass strangelets. Thus, strangelets will be made at Cern between 2015 and 2020 on collisions over 10 TeV. Then those strangelets will fall to the center of the Earth undetected, which will excuse Cern from responsibility, as it will deny it produced them till the end, and it will eat up the Earth inside out, till it converts it into a 15-kilometer strangelet rock. Finally, the magnetic field of the LHC, the strongest on planet Earth, which cause disturbances on the Earth's magnetic field, cause of earthquakes that have increased till record numbers, similar to those of World War II, during the carpet bombing of the Pacific seismic ring of fire. Since the machine was put online in a continuous growth, there is indeed a pattern studied in other posts on the web of LHC starts and increases of energy followed by massive volcano and earthquake activity. Go on Google Earth and search September 23rd. It will take you to the location where Cern is. Just now in April 2015, volcano activity is at its peak, with 7 major volcanoes starting eruptions within hours, and a massive earthquake taking place in Nepal. On August 8, 2015, the goddess Kali, Hindu god of death and destruction, was projected on the Empire State Building in New York City. Have you not heard? This is also what the Illuminati has ordered to build the Cern for, as well as opening a portal into another dimension to attempt to summon a goddess, to destroy the world to complete the New World Order. Now does it make sense to you? A goddess appearing on the Empire State Building without any good explanation, including no information of the system about Cern. Why do you think they will not tell you that? To keep you misinformed to continue their work. We must stop them now, once and for all, and if we don't, then you better expect major changes bigger than you can imagine this year and next year. The one thing that the government uses to keep us away and not being able to continue the actions to save lives and improve the world as a better place, is fear. Do not let fear control you, for that is what they do daily. We must not slow down now. We must keep going and work as fast as possible. The more progress we make, the more likely that the New World Order will fail. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Illuminati. Expect the best of the best from the good side, the heroic, the honest, the brave, and the bold.